New Mexico saw a lot of snow this winter, but that doesn't mean the fire danger is over. Governor Bill Richardson proclaimed this week as Fire Prevention Week in the state. So today, numerous agencies from the city, county, state, and federal levels announced they will work together to educate people living in fire-prone areas. Preparedness and prevention are key, and officials say heavy winds play a big role in spreading the flames.
So when we have red flags, it means that our humidities are low, temperatures are high, and winds are high.
Several fires that broke out over the weekend in Lincoln County have been contained and no one was hurt.